Musical recipe by beats and bites. Grind the beef, chop it tight. Add grated spuds and onions to ignite. Squeeze out the juice from both, don't go too far. Keep it soft, not dry, just the right bar. One egg goes in, give it a mix. A little binder for the perfect fix. Salt, pepper, turmeric, spice the fire. Don't blend in machines, keep it entire. Hand and knead and don't use a tool. Feel the rhythm, make it cool. Rest for hours till the battle's won. Some say coat them in flour, but I say wait, don't rush the hour. If you work it right, take your time. No need for extra flour to climb. Hollows rise and the heat is strong. Shape them, fry them, don't go wrong. Thin or thick, that's up to you. Want it crispy, make it thin. Want it juicy, thick's a win. Let them sizzle, let them raw. Don't touch them till they're golden more. Turn them slow, don't break the chain. This is the rhythm, catch the flame. Now the tomatoes hit the heat. Smash them down, break them neat. Let the juices flow, fill the pan. Mix with the flavors, that's the plan. Use the liquid to deglaze. Let the taste infuse in every phase. Create the sauce, fire in mind. A smoky, savory, wicked bite. Serve 'em with fried potatoes, fresh and bold. These hot kotlets never get old. With every bite, the flavors combine. An explosion of heat that feels divine.